Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be washing these brushes and this sponge because they definitely need it. Today I'll be cleaning with my three absolute favorite things. First off, we've got the Clean Act Brush and Sponge Shampoo. It is absolutely amazing, all natural and vegan, which I love, and cruelty free. Don't forget that. Then we've got our brush mat and then water, because duh, you need water to clean. So I like to start out by getting the brush wet and then gently swirling it into the shampoo or whatever I'm using to clean, then gently swirling the brush on the mat that I'm using. After that, you're going to rinse it off, and basically you're going to repeat this process until you see three things. You want to see that the brush looks clean, the makeup is no longer coming off of it, and the suds are white. Once you see all three of those things, you can rest pretty easy knowing that your brush is clean. When it comes to cleaning a sponge or a beauty blender, you're going to want to do this a little different. Do not rub it on the brush mat. This will damage your sponge. It might tear it. It's going to hurt it. You're just going to use your hands. You're just going to rub it into the shampoo or whatever you're using and keep on just basically massaging it in your hands, squeezing the water out, and repeating the process until, similar to the brushes, you are no longer seeing makeup coming out. It looks clean and the suds are white. Once you've done that, you can, again, rest pretty easy knowing that that is clean. Now you're going to repeat this with every brush that you have, and ideally you want to clean your brushes every week. The reason you want to clean your brushes as often as possible is because dirty brushes can do a couple things. First off, they can affect your makeup application. They can contribute to acne because they accumulate dead skin cells, oil, and even bacteria, and regularly clean brushes last longer, which in the long run is going to save you money by keeping the tools you're using in good condition. Here are my cleaned brushes and my sponges. I just lay them out on a towel as I am cleaning the others, and then once I'm done with all of them, then I will dry all of them at the same time as well. Drying the brushes is actually really easy. You just get a clean towel, and then for sponges, you squeeze them basically as hard as you can without, like, you know, ripping them in half or something with your Hulk strength. But you just squeeze them and get all the excess water out. And then with the brushes, you are just going to rub them into the towel, and you want to work the water out of the brushes. This is probably one of the most important parts about washing and drying brushes. If they have a specific shape to them, you want to make sure that you shape them back into what they were supposed to look like while you are drying them so that they dry in that position. Now you are just going to repeat this with every single brush that you have until they are all nice and dry. Your eyeliner and your brow brushes are also ones that you're going to want to make sure to press back into their original shape so that you can get the cleanest, sharpest, most crisp line when you're doing your makeup. Here are the brushes and sponges we just cleaned. They look so beautiful. There's some water on the handles, but that's okay. We'll just wipe that off. And then next we are going to put them in the brush holder that I have so that they can dry in that position. So here's me putting those in the brush holder. I like to have them sitting up rather than laying down so that I don't accidentally mold them into, like, you know, having bedhead or something like that. And we are now done. Here's my clean brushes and sponges. I will normally do this at the end of the night and then leave them out overnight to dry. You don't want to leave them in the bathroom or something like that, so where you might be flushing a toilet, which can actually put more bacteria into the air. So I actually put mine in the kitchen because I'm not really going to be doing anything in the kitchen overnight. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching.